giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
Day of adventure with my bike, just bought off of Amazon. They look really nice, you know, they look fancy, but actually they're not that advanced. It's kind of basic bike that is disguised as a super bike, but they're relatively cheap and probably not as powerful as something like a tri-band basic model. So yeah, anyway, I'm just riding around in the suburb, nearby small towns around Mazda. That's what we buy the bike for, to go on this kind of trips, go on adventures and take some photos. Not too many pictures, but because, you know, on the road you cannot just stop every 20-50 meters to take a picture. It's a little bit too much. You have to ride and ride and ride and eventually find something more interesting to take a picture about. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna keep going. This is very noisy on a highway. Let's go.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me